Alright, so in this video I will show you how to create realistic looking mountains in Unreal Engine 5, and the fun fact is you will know exactly how to customize your mountain. So basically there are so many different type of ways in order to create realistic looking mountains. The first and the easiest method is to use height maps. You can just go to the your browser of your choice, and then you can just search for mountain height maps, something like this, and you will get a height maps. So basically it looks something like this, black and white image. You can just go to the image options and you can download anything. For example, this one, you just have to download this thing, and in the landscape option, when you open your landscape option, when you create a landscape, you will get a height map option. You just have to put this height map on that location, and if you want to see the detailed video, we'll put the link in the description. You can just go and watch that video how you can properly do this method. The method number 2 is the completely customizable method, and in order to use that method you have to use one software called Blender. It is completely free. You don't have to be worried about any paid softwares. Just go and download Blender. Go to the Blender website. This is the Blender website. You just have to download the latest version. When you download the latest version, it will look something like this. You can see I already made different type of mountains, snowy mountains, and it is highly customizable, and you can create a lot of mountain things. So in order to create mountains, you have to just go to the edit preferences, and in this one just click on the get extension option, and you just have to go there and write ANT. Okay, not in the extension, you have to go to the add-ons, and then you have to search for ANT landscape. You have to enable this, and then you have to save preference. After that, it's pretty simple. You just have to go to Shift A. In the mesh option, you will get a landscape option. Just click on this one, and magically you will get a mountain. Now the fun fact about this thing is you have a lot of control. So for example, I need some sort of different type of mountain. Just go to the random seed option, click, and you will get a realistic looking mountain. And for example, suppose I don't need that one, maybe something like this. It looks great. I want to change the height of this mountain. It's pretty simple. Just go to this offset, or not offset, I think this Y, and you can increase or decrease the scale of the mountain like this easily, and the forms and everything, and you will get this type of weird looking mountain also. But in order to change the height, what you can do, you can just go to this height option, and you can decrease or increase the height of the mountain like this. It is pretty simple. And the another thing is, if you don't need this type of things, you need some sort of lake thing, you just have to go to the operator preset, and you will get a hell lot of options. So you can choose anything, but I want to create some sort of lake thing, so you just go and click on lake, and you will get a lake there. You just have to put the water material in the center and the ground material in the outside, and it is perfectly fine. But we are talking about mountains, so we will just create mountains. So we have a lot of options there. We have a cliff option also, so you can create this type of cliff, for example a waterfall cliff or something like this, anything. And you can just go to the random seed option, and you can change the values to get this type of variation. For now I will just use this mountain 2. I will go to the height option. I will increase the height of this maybe, and you will get this type of clipping. If you want these things, then you can leave it like that, or else you can go to the maximum option, and you can increase the maximum in order to get this type of sharp looking edge. So for now I can just create this type of things, and now you will see we are creating some sort of valley in the center area, and there is 2 type of mountains, which you can also change the offset of this like this. Just play with these numbers, and you will get a lot of variation in the mountains. So when your mountain is done, you just have to export it to Unreal Engine. Just click on File, Export, and FBX. You will get this type of option. Just click on the export button, and you are good to go. Now we will think about what about the materials, how we can get the material of this thing. So that is also very simple. You just have to go to your Epic launcher, and in this one, if you click on the fab option, so fab is basically, if you use Unreal Engine, you will know about this fab thing. I don't need to explain anything about this fab thing. It's kind of a marketplace. It's actually a marketplace, not a kind of. You can download any kind of nature packs, character models, anything, whatever you want to download, you can download. There are so many free options also in this fab thing. Right now you can see we have some models, free models, lens flare, and this tiger model, wooden tiger I think, and this low poly construction side, something like that. We are talking about the material, how to texture that mountain in Unreal. So you have to search for MAWI United, something like this, MW Landscape Auto Material. You just have to go and download this, and it will do everything for you. You don't even have to worry about anything. It will automatically texture everything for you. You just have to drag drop this material to your model and you are good to go. You can see it looks absolutely amazing. Just look at the quality of this thing. So you will get all sort of parameters inside this one. You can control your snow density, your rock density, your grass density, everything. So just go and download this, add to project, and drag drop your material to your model and you're good to go. So yeah, I think that's it for this material. And there is also another material that I recently found, and that is this landscape auto material. Right now it is showing free to me, so you can also use this one. This also looks really good. It's not that much realistic compared to that MV1. MV1 was like really good. If you can watch the video that I'm playing right now, I made the background mountains you're watching there. It's made with this material and it was like really great. It looks really realistic and it was really good for this type of things. So yeah, just go and download that MV material. You can also use this one, landscape auto material, if you want, but this one, MV landscape, is the best option. They have so many different type of other things also, but they are kind of expensive. But this one is free. You can just go and download this. And if you want to know how to export your MetaHuman from Unreal to Blender with proper rigs and everything, then you just have to go and watch this video.